Hello everyone, welcome to Amal Khan YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to download AutoCAD software free. I will go to Google search. Here I will type AutoCAD student version. After search, then here will be the link open which is free student software download. I will click on this. When it will be open, so there will be a lot of software that you can download free. For student, it is free for 3 years. So you can download Inventor, Revit, AutoCAD, 3D Max, Maya, etc. So here I will go to select AutoCAD. When it's open, then here you have to go to create account. So go to create account. Then there you have to fill this options and go for the next. So then your account will be create. So remember that in education there you should give student and institution where you are studying or you are not studying. It's okay if you are study or not, but just give these information, then your account will be create. As I already create account, so I can't create again. So then I will come here and there's the account sign in. I will click on and then I will give my email which I create Autodesk account. So a message will come to your Gmail account and there will be the key and other information will be given to you. So here choose. So here you can select any kind of version and you have to then go for the download here. When it's download, then go for installation and enjoy the AutoCAD free.